Guys, this is me again. Welcome back to the brand new video. And today we are at Cradle Mountain. We got to visit here, and now we are at the Cradle Mountain Hotel. As we have arrived a little late because sunset at 4:40. So when we arrived here almost, it was quite dark as it is on top of the mountain, so it was quite dark out here. So we actually thought that after more than 4 hours journey, we didn't go outside. We just rested here, and now we are going to go outside, and I am going to take you with me. But before that, the weather is so foggy somewhere down there, and on all the way up here it was sometimes sunny, it was sometimes foggy and raining sometimes. But the most interesting side, I have got to see the rain shower. It was kind of like it has a shower curtain like that. I have, if you can see the video on the screen right now, it is so beautiful. I don't know that you gather the idea that how it is quite beautiful, and I wanted to show you guys that. And we're gonna go outside. I am going to wear the jumper, and I am going to head out on the lobby, and we are going to see some indoor places. So let's go. We are at the gift shop of this beautiful hotel lounge. We had that native plants, native bee collection, which attracts the bees and everything. Probably in total they have 12 seats and 4 foil sachets. This looks pretty. Category, they have this collection too: native indigo, white kanzi, golden pea, parrot pea. So colorful. And you can always have the souvenir of the Cradle Mountain. Look at this. This looks cute. Oh my gosh, look at this Tasmanian devil. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And look at the plushies. White koala. And Tasmanian devil. And these are the bookmarks. Pretty, huh? There's a whole lot of collection, whatever you like from there. And this is beautiful bronze with the handwork and the clay printing and everything. This is so pretty. This is really pretty. See, there's another one. They have lots of collections, I guess. Look at this. See? and you can hear the music in my blood. It's on the background. It's so beautiful moment. Look at this. This looks like monkey face flowers, but I don't know really these are the monkey face flower or these are another name or something like that. But yeah, it's really pretty. So colorful. Probably this is the wildness of the flowers, the wildlife out there. These are the not just the habitat or nature or anything, it just which represent Tasmania. And this is the wombat. Probably we are gonna have got to see the real wombat out here. Probably. If I do, I'm going to share this movies with you. It looks really fluffy. I hope you don't bite. But it's really cool. Look at this little cozy collection of outwear, the t-shirts and everything. People can borrow from there, can buy from there, anything they want. It is extremely cozy, extremely nice people around here. They are really friendly. The people, if you need help, if you need anything, they are just 24/7 is there for you. It's really nice out there. This is so cozy. This is the outdoor of the room over there where we were before. Look at this. This is really peaceful. Oh my god, this is pitch black out there. And there is the moon. Just look at this. This is called Get One with Nature or what? Oh my gosh. I don't know if we are gonna see some wombat or not. But yeah, they can come right back from there. See? Smell of the quails, the smell of the leaves and everything. It is like the true winter night. I mean, I can feel it, the country vibe and everything. And it is quite cold out here, so it's really cozy, really nice decoration, really nice environment, not really very crowded enough, you know. Where is it? Okay, we are going to see wallaby, even though I'm a little afraid of it. Where is it? Yeah, the light is going up and down. Can you see the eyes? Yeah, it is right over there. The beeping light. Can you see it? Ooh. It is right there. Yeah, the beeping eyes. It's very pitch black, so we cannot show you the whole image of it, but yeah, If you can see the little beeping eyes moving around, yeah, that's the wallaby right there. See the deck room environment and everything is really very cozy. I wish we could see the snow, but I don't think that this is going to happen. Probably not today, not tomorrow. Really, still finger crossed, because it is cold, but there is no cloud, nothing, the full stars. People are really getting their dinner. Just look at this. It's nice view from up here. Probably we're on a second floor or something, right?
First floor.
First floor.
Right,
On the top of the mountain, right? Top of the hill or something.
top of the hill.
Top of the hill. Yeah. Pitch back. And every room they have fireplace. Every single room of their diner, from their bar to the pool room, and everywhere, from the lounge to everywhere, they have beautiful fireplace. I wanted to play the pool, but I don't know how to do it, so this is massage therapy storage, and this is the massage retreat rooms. This is not open right now, but probably they are gonna be on morning or something. Spice chai and sage essential oil blend. Look at the bath bombs, real cute. I'm gonna take this beautiful fluffy croissant. Look at the cereals. If you want, you can take the cereals from here. Look at the variations. They have quite a number of variations here. Whatever people want to eat, whatever people like to eat, they can have it like a buffet. Look at the cereal pancakes. We are going to the visitor center. From there we are going to take the bus, shuttle bus, and then they are going to show us the everything is, the Cradle Mountain, the roads and everything, whatever the visitor spot could be. They are going to take us there, and we are going to visit by the shuttle bus. But from where our car park is, we are heading down there at the visitor center. It is about the 5-minute walks, 3 to 5 minutes walk from there. And meanwhile, when I was standing here, suddenly I felt really cold, that my nostril was hitting really bad for the cold and everything. So I told Shubho to go take out the scarf from the car, but at the moment he left, there is a bird which is probably black, I guess, pitch black bird. It was calling like a ghost, literal ghost, and there is no one, and all around me was a car and everything. She was not there yet, no one is around me, and suddenly the birds are calling like ghost or something, and I was really freaked out. But right now, yeah, I understood that that was the bird, and that was it, nothing else. And now we are almost here at the visitor center. Let's go. Who is there? Let's just check out this beautiful gift shop. Look at this beautiful rings. This is Vegas leaves. This is the symbol of Cradle Mountain, and this is the both of them all together a locket. This is red melon, Tasmanian devil, wombat, leptus. Oh, I love leptus. When I used to watch Pokemon, this was one of the cutest one. Just look at this.
Whereas we're dying. It's like, no, you'd be high on the sun protection then. Yeah, totally. 25 degrees. Holy goodness. Well, he stripped completely naked and stood in front of the fire and went, I feel fine. And I was like, well, no, this feels like a hazard. No. Yeah,
Cradle Mountain still 10 kilometres from where we are, but we do get to see it all from the summit area up on the right. Through to the town. This will go for a further 20 minutes and head out to a second set of waterfalls, these being Nivet Falls. Ranger station, we're only 6 kilometres, 2 to 2.5 hours. But if you don't want to do the full 6 kilometres, you don't have to. You can walk out from the range. See you there. The World Heritage protecting the area we are in, and the Wildlife Sanctuary protecting the animals. The boardwalks and the gravel paths do take you to the best spots to see the park anyway. And we'll be there shortly. Speak to the right of Cradle Mountain up there is Marion's Lookout. Sometimes you can look up there throughout the day.
Just look at this. That is the Cradle Mountain. Right over there, strong and tall, so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Just look at the view. It is totally different view if you come to the actually snowy times. It is totally different. It would be all white, all snowy, all different kind of beautiful. Look at this, how crystal clear it is. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling all giddy. But the water is really cold. Really very cold. We were right over there, you know, where we were right over there. And now look at this from the view up here. So beautiful. And those two are the Cradle Mountain. Look how gorgeous it is. Look at this. We're inside of the boathouse. Look how pretty this is. Look at this. We are so close. Look at this.
শব্দটা একটু সুন্দর লাগে না? মাশাআল্লাহ।
Look how beautiful the sound is. Melodious unison. Just amazing. Can you see the fish? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
ওরে মাছ আরেকটা জোরারা।
Oh my god. So pretty. Look at the fish. Three fish down there.
Oh nice, how good's that?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Show me, Mom. Let's see. Chicken jockey fish.
Use your eyes. There's no sun there.
There's little babies in it, isn't there?
Yeah.
Tadpole. The tadpole
Trout.
are the little ones.
Yeah, you know everything around, don't you?
We came back to the visiting center again, and on the road down there we had seen the wombat. It was little fluffy little bear look like. I couldn't film it, but we saw it little far away. It didn't came to us. It was just roaming around, and we couldn't even interacted with it. But it was like a slight moment, and that's it. So I couldn't film it, but it was really cute moment. And yeah, we have done our Cradle Mountain hiking whatever we could, and we did the adventurous little bit of hunt with a wombat, and now we just headed back to visiting center. Now we are going to heading down to the hotel.
So he does.
See, Stanley, Port Arthur, Launceston, Tasmania, Helens, Devonport, Richmond, Hobart, Strahan, Queenstown, Cradle Mountain, Port Arthur, Stanley. It's cute. See, eucalyptus. So cute. This is a really good kids book choice. So cute. We are signing the guest book. This looks like underwater theme, right? This is called cushion plants. Look at this. This is called snow gum on the labyrinth. This is cordon splits. This is myrtle tree in rainforest and mountain. This picture called morning light on Little Horn. And this is Cradle Mountain. This is Aurora vessel. How they painted the sky like aurora and everything. And this is frozen vessel. This is called frozen. This just got leaf stones.
কিন্তু মুখটা যেন কেমন হাসেন দেয় না এগ দেয় কিন্তু দুধ খাওয়ায় Tasmania.
Look at the berries. This looks like aurora. Sure, chapo. That aurora has just been seen. Last night was -3 degrees outside. Look at the window. It's 10, but still the foggy, the dewy. Still the glass is foggy and dewy, so yeah. Now we are going to head out. Look at the snow. Everything. Out from here and go home. That was it of my Cradle Mountain vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please don't forget to like, comment what did you like the most, and subscribe for brand new videos every week. So take care guys, bye bye, have a nice day.